Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO Watch X2 and I'm gonna show you how to update applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to update applications on your watch needs to be paired to the network, to the Wi-Fi network, to some kind of internet basically. And also you will need to have a Google account copied to your watch because you need to use Google services for updating the apps. Basically you will need to open the Google Play Store, and to use the Google Play Store you need to have a Google account. And to connect your watch to the Wi-Fi network, you can simply open the settings, go to Wi-Fi, and here you can tap on Add Network, find the network you want to connect to, tap on it, and then enter the password if it's password protected. Once you enter the password correctly, it will say connected right here. That means you're connected to the network. And if you want to add Google account, your watch needs to be paired with a phone for that to work, and you need to go to Settings, Other, Google, Accounts, and here, as you can see, I already have an account, but if you don't have an account, tap on Add Google Account, tap on this icon, and that's why I said your watch needs to be paired with a phone, because this won't work without phone, so you need to tap on icon. You should see the pop-up on the phone that is paired with your watch. For some reason it doesn't pop up for me, but basically you will see the pop-up about the adding Google account to your watch, and you will need to select the account you want to copy, and then confirm by entering the password or using the I don't know, fingerprint or something like that. And once you copy the Google account and you have the internet connection and Google account, you can open the Play Store on your watch. So find the Play Store icon and tap on it. And here on the main page, scroll down and find the option called Manage Apps and tap on it. And right here you will see the list of apps that are available for updates, or you have updates available for those apps. So find the app you want to update, tap on it, and then tap on Update. It will start downloading and installing. Also, you can tap on Update All. It will basically queue all of the apps for the update, and it will download them sequentially, but I won't do that because it will take quite some time. So we'll wait just for this one to stop updating, or rather done updating. Finish, rather, my bad. Come on. Still installing the update. But once the update is installed, the app will disappear from this basically page, and it will be right here under recently updated. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the crown button, and that's how you update applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.